Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and click on the settings icon. Next, on the sidebar here, we're going to want to scroll down to General Management, and then swipe down again, and here you'll find Reset. Then you want to select Factory Data Reset, which is the last option, and this will give you a list of data right here that will be removed by this process. Most importantly, this will include things like music, photos, and basically all user data. If you have anything of any of those types that I just listed, make a backup copy of it if you want to some other device, maybe your computer or some SD card, before you actually begin the reset. Otherwise, this data will be completely removed and this cannot be undone, so you will lose all of it. Now, with that being said, I don't have anything on this device that I want to back up, so I'm going to select Reset. One last thing that I will mention, when you press Reset, for me it already shows the Delete All. If you have a Samsung account specifically and a screen lock, number one, it will force you to confirm your screen lock, and once you do so, it will then also tell you that you need to sign out of your Samsung account, or by basically just providing password, which defeats the purpose of a screen lock, because if you're gonna need to sign out anyway, why force me to confirm the pattern? It's just stupid. So anyway, do both of those things. It might be that it just shows you the screen lock if you don't have a Samsung account. In any case, you'll need to confirm it. I neither have the Samsung account nor screen lock, so I can just automatically select Delete All without any kind of confirmation. Now, this will now begin factory resetting the device, and this process does take about 2 minutes here, probably, maybe even longer, to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the reset is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.